I guess today I want to touch bases on Trimble Siteworks and different units. So when you go to Trimble Siteworks and you start a new project, right? So let's say start, we'll add a test feet. Obviously, when you start a new project, you can check which measuring unit you want to use, whether it's meters, international feet, or US feet. I'm gonna choose international feet for this time. I'm gonna hit next and finish. It's gonna ask us for the work order, right? So we're just gonna put test units. I'm gonna erase it later anyway because we're not gonna do anything. Accept. So this will open up a blank project in Trimble Siteworks, just like you had in SCS or in any other software. However, if you go to your three-dot menu and then to settings, at the bottom you have display units. Display units, which will help by default, is in decimal feet. However, you might want to change it to fractional inches, which will give you your units in fractions, right? So what that mean is that, let's say, let's go to Kogo and create points, right? Let's do do they still have like this? Nope. But I'm looking for that free pick point. I'm not sure where that is anymore. Let's just check. Free pick point, this icon. Okay, so yeah, it's this one. So let me create a point there, right? And we're gonna call it Topo 1. Okay. Please enter valid point name. Topo 1. Why wouldn't it be Topo 1? Okay, let's do just one. Let's see. Measure point. Yeah, measure point. Accept. Let's do this. Okay, there we go. So technically, I have this point here at the. Let's just see if I can. No, that was okay. What am I looking here for? Point names. Yeah, accept. So I'm gonna have, this is my point 1, and let's say I'm gonna create another point at bearing and distance. Yeah, that's a good idea. So pick the origin point, it's this one, and which gives us northing and easting, as you can see, in fractions. And then we can do no elevation. Deflection angle will go 90, and horizontal offset I can go 12 feet, 3 and 3/8 of an inch. And it's gonna create that point. Measure point number 2, accept. So this can be, see, this can be beneficial for the people which don't, well, then you don't have to, when you measure on your measuring tape, or you're used to from construction your fractional inches, you don't have to convert it into decimal, where the error of the rounding and everything can become a problem. As well as if I go over here, we have to connect. So I'm just going to connect like a rover, emulator, or 855. Let's do 985 emulator. Yeah, and hit select. One, okay. Okay, emulator. Yes, quick release. And you see antenna height. So if I measure 73 inches and I input it in there, technically it converted that number to 6 feet 1 inch, right? And if I have 73 and 1/8 inch and I accept, oh, I did 73 feet. Yeah, it takes feet, so I don't know, 1/8 is maybe. Oh, well, and if I can do this, let's try that, accept, no valid value, okay. Maybe no space, that would be too much, eh? Yeah, 7 feet and 7/3/8. Oh, dash, maybe dash. Okay, let's try this. So the 73-1/8 of an inch. Accept. There we go. So it converted to 6 feet 1 inch. So you have to put the dash, but you can use the fractions of inches which you read on your tape. So hope this helps lots of people. I'm gonna do a couple of other videos on this with other softwares, how you do it. And yeah, we'll see you next one.